Good afternoon. My name is Cenk Soyak. I'm the founder and CEO of AloTech. We are a cloud call center solution. If you have ever tried to implement a call center, you need to deal with servers, cables, IT, software. It's a nightmare. It's complex, it's inefficient, it's expensive. And in AloTech, by using Google's cloud computing technology, we changed all these with this. A website. You log into our website, and you have a call center. You have all the tools necessary to manage and run a call center. And AloTech is currently the only company who is able to set up a call center anywhere in the world in 10 minutes, because we are the only company in the world who is running on Google's App Engine. And we are doing this for the fraction of the cost of the competition. But that is not our advantage. We are also enterprise ready. We have our proprietary technology, and we are infinitely scalable as compared to competition. In just 2 years, we reached more than 100 customers and 8,000 users with some globally recognized brands and some local leaders. And this is a $20 billion market. This is a huge market. This is why investors like AloTech. And the cloud portion is growing 25.7% annually, and it's going to reach $14.7 billion in 2020. This is why 4 months ago we decided to go global, and now we have customers in Canada, UK, Netherlands, Germany, and Belgium. And we have pilots elsewhere. We have a great, talented team, and we have more than 200 years of combined call center experience. Last year, we really got big in our market. We got our first investment and established a partnership with Turkcell, and our revenues grew 4.3 times compared to the previous year. We are raising 3.5 million, and with the help of Itugate, we opened our office in Chicago last month. We are recruiting sales and customer support team. We established partnerships with Google, Zendesk, and Salesforce, and we are ready to grow aggressively now. Thank you, and I'll be happy to answer your questions.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, AloTech.
Hi. Why in the financial forecast, why do you have negative EBITDA for the next 3 years? Because this business, once you set it up and you make it a success, it should be very profitable. Or does it need a lot of R&D?
Actually, not R&D, but we are burning cash. We were EBITDA break-even when we received our first investment. Then we were told that you have to spend money. So we recruited a lot of people, and we were negative. And actually, we closed 2015 break-even. So we will start spending again, especially for the American market, and we will be negative. That's why we need the money.
So it will be more on marketing expense.
Exactly, yeah.
So with call centers, I suspect your key selling point is not the fact that you can set it up in 10 minutes. That most corporates don't look for a 10-minute call center solution, right? They do look for scalability if they all of a sudden need a lot of demand. But the difficulty is the training of the people and the scripting. And how do you provide in those services? Do you help there as well?
We have a very simple and web-based UX, and some of our customers even use, experienced agents are able to use it even without any training. And we have actually two segments. We have, our largest customers is using us with 2,500 users, but we have one-seat users as well. So it depends actually according to the user, what kind of need they have. For example, the overseas customers prefer us because we are very fast, and we can deploy remotely. And there are customers in Turkey, we are struggling for 2 years and still hoping to hear from them. But let me give you an example. There is a last case. There is a holding company in Turkey who spent $3 million for their investment. And now for their monthly bank payment, if they would put that money in the bank. With 1/4 of the money, they would be affording to use our services. This is why sometimes they choose us.